Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're trying to downgrade your technology usage in some way or another. These are the 3 tools that I use to hack my life without using a cell phone. Number 1 is this dotted journal. I've been journaling for probably about 6 years now, and I can confidently say that journaling is one of the most important things in my life. Specifically, these bullet journals, I use them primarily for for tracking habits in my life. And since I've done that, I've seen an increase in my productivity, my overall well-being, and just a more higher quality of life. And what this does is it replaces any apps that I may have used in the past to track that, and instead allows me to physically write down my habits day by day and put pen to paper and actually see the progress that I've made and feel it tangibly, which I think results in better results. And I've actually seen that happen. When I would track my habits on whether that be a Google Sheet or something on my phone, it just didn't stick the way that it did when I took the time to take 5 seconds and write down and check a box for things that I had done that day. So it makes you more productive, makes you feel better, helps your brain, and it gets you off your phone. The next thing that I've used to hack my life is this Field Notes flip book. It's a notebook. It's got lines on one side, dots on the other. And what it's done is it's replaced my need for a reminders app. So many times I would set reminders on my phone, and then within minutes I would either forget to look at it, or I would get distracted by the 5,000 other notifications that were coming through my phone. So instead, I've taken the advice of my high school teachers and realized that when you write things down, you're more likely to remember them. And in doing so, I've been able to get more done because I, number 1, can mark something off of my list when I finish it. Number 2, when I need to do something, I have it in my pocket at all times and I can just write it down. And number 3, it is way better than being distracted by being on your phone. This book is great for anything from to-do list to grocery lists to cool notes and things that you think about during the day. I kind of use this as my everyday on-the-go second brain. It's great because it fits in your back pocket, and I've even found a little pin that fits right here in the top, which is awesome as well. My third paper product that has helped me clean up the crap of my life is not toilet paper. It is this guy right here, a composition notebook. I used to journal a lot when I was a kid, and I thought it was awesome. And then I got older and forgot how cool it was. And recently I've gotten back into just free writing and journaling. And so what I use that composition notebook for is just a 5-minute mind dump. That's what I call it. And I set a timer, I'll play some music, and I'll just write whatever's on my mind. Sometimes it's great, deep, philosophical stuff that I feel like is going to solve the world's problems. And other times it's me just sharing the way that I feel in the moment, or writing down the same song lyric that is stuck in my head over and over again. I would try journaling on my phone, but it just doesn't feel the same. Writing on your phone is typing with your thumbs. There's something about doing the extra work to put pencil to paper and to write down the way that you're feeling and really think through the things that you're feeling in the moment or the things that you're thinking about. And studies have shown that when you do this, it actually helps your mental health a whole lot. And I've noticed that as well over these past few months of journaling in a composition notebook. So those are just 3 of several other tools that I will do a video on later of ways that I have tried to make my life more productive. Hope it helps. Check out my other videos that talk about all the other productive things and cool things that you can think about and do to make your life better. This is Subtle Steadies. Hope that it helped. See you later.